Well, welcome back. We've got Dr. Daniel Nichols here with us and some important questions because we were just talking in the break about insurance, and sometimes it doesn't always cover things that you need. And I'm glad to hear that you as a dentist kind of agree.
It's a tough thing being on our end of it because, you know, we pay these high monthly premiums, and then the insurance companies will actually put a cap on what they pay. They'll limit the procedures they're going to pay for, and they'll downgrade to a lesser procedure so they don't have to pay out as much.
That's crazy.
And so if you look at it, is you got to think about insurance companies only make money when they don't pay claims.
And they're not, I hate to blast them because we do need some insurance in life, but yeah, they're not in business to take care of you. Totally.
They're not in business to pay your claim, no,
so
sir.
You're not in a network yourself.
We are not in a network. You know, think about networks were really created, the insurance companies created the networks.
Okay.
And then they have sold the doctors of, you know, join our network, be a part of this, but it's another way for the insurance companies to actually control the doctors. And a lot of these doctors, unfortunately, have bought into, you know, mediocre, you know, healthcare, mediocre dentistry is okay. And they allow the insurance companies to actually control their offices, which affects, you know, the care that we receive.
Which is so frustrating because as a patient, you go in and if your dentist tells you you have a cavity or you're going to need a root canal, and then you're fighting with the insurance, they're like, no, we don't cover. It's like, what?
Yeah, and that's true. You know, the insurance companies, they want to cover basic care. And not necessary care.
Right.
And so that's the big distinction of it. And they'll tell you, you know, you'll probably see this in a lot of times you go in, well, this is all your insurance company pays for, or your insurance company doesn't even cover that procedure at all.
Or they have a max.
And they have a maximum. Oh yeah, they're going to limit what their outlay. So.
But you got a membership plan, a dental membership.
Yes, sir. Our solution, we've created this great dental membership plan that takes care of all the insurance headaches.
Right.
So and it makes it easier so that, you know, we're not going to have to deal with insurance anymore. And, you know, the really good thing about the dental membership plan is that all procedures are covered. There are no waiting periods. There's no maximums, and anyone can sign up.
So how does it work?
Well, you come in and, you know, you give us a call, and just like you would, you know, as a normal patient.
Right.
And we just sign you up for it. And like I say, everything's covered. You know, we don't limit what you know, we don't know what you're going to need.
Right.
So
it's like you get 2 cleanings a year or 1 cavity a year. That's it. I mean,
we cover one thing with it. You get your cleanings every year. You get your x-rays every year. If you need x-rays during the year, you have an emergency. That's all covered. You know, we don't try to ding you every time you come in. And we cover all the procedures. We're not going to limit your procedures. We're not going to downgrade your procedure to a lesser procedure. If you want a certain type of crown, it's covered. And there's no waiting period. You'll see that with a lot of insurance companies. Well, I'm sorry, but there's a waiting period for that.
Or you had your x-rays on this date, so you got to wait till this.
We got to wait.
And it's like, but they said I needed one.
And it doesn't make sense. So that's what we just went ahead and eliminated all that. We cover it all.
But we pay a monthly fee for this?
You pay a monthly fee, or I think it actually is done as an annual fee, because most people go, let me just pay for it, and we're done. And so you pay your annual fee, you're covered for the year, and whatever you need during that time, you get your cleanings taken care of. Emergency pops up, you can't help that. We're going to take care of that also.
Because one of the things that you're known for is the whole, he's not going to judge if you have waited a while to come in and see him. And I really feel like a lot of people may have waited and they put it off because what we talked about today, they don't, the insurance is a headache, or it's, you know, they're not covered, so they were scared about how they were going to pay for it.
The insurance companies are going to get their money first. I mean, that's just what they're, you know, you go to any, any large city, all the big buildings have the insurance company's names on them because that's what, you know, they're paying for those, we're paying for those buildings, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. And so, you know, and a lot of times I have people, they'll call us up, I just got this insurance. And unfortunately, there are waiting periods. You might could get a root canal today, but you can't get the crown for a year. That doesn't make sense, does it?
Bad?
Really? They're that, honestly, yes, they're that bad. Because they'll say there's basic care, you know, there's major care. If it's your care, to me, it's all major care because I'm taking care of you.
Right.
And so we're not there to give you just something basic. We want you to have the necessary and essential care that you know you need.
What kills me is they'll put like a max of $1,000.
Right.
And I'm going, are you serious?
Yeah. Some years that may be fine. Some years that's not fine. I mean,
you never know.
Yeah. And we all, you know, we all need that. And you know, the tough thing is it spills over into your overall health.
Absolutely.
Because your mouth will tell you a whole lot about your, you know, your body. You know, a healthy mouth is a healthy heart, is a healthy body.
Yeah.
And you know, people want to be healthy. They want to look good. You want to feel good. And so, you know, we're trying to educate our patients, you know, that good oral health is essential to a good, long, healthy life.
So if people are watching now, there's the number. We've had it up throughout the segment. Call or go to nicholsdental.com. He'll take care of you. Thank you,
We sure
Dr.
will.
Dan.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you
Thanks.
coming.
Good to be
Right here in
here.
Greenville,
I
that's where
love
they
it.
are.
Yes.